I like cookies and milk for a snack. I like cookies and milk for a snack. Mommy loves me very much. Mommy loves me very much. I work at a bank. I work at a bank. I went to the store. I went to the store. My name is John Smith. My name is John Smith. The sun is shining bright in the morning today. The sun is shining bright in the morning today. I like ice cream. I like ice cream. I have a dog named Princess. I have a dog named Princess. We live in New York City. We live in New York City. I want to go home. I want to go home. My dog is black and white. My dog is black and white. They are going to the store with me today. They are going to the store with me today. It's raining outside right now. It's raining outside right now. I like chocolate ice cream better than vanilla ice cream. I like chocolate ice cream better than vanilla ice cream. He is wearing a white shirt and black pants today. He is wearing a white shirt and black pants today. They went to the park yesterday after dinner. They went to the park yesterday after dinner. My son loves to play baseball with his friends. My son loves to play baseball with his friends. The sun is hot today. The sun is hot today. We have a big house. We have a big house. We drove all night. We drove all night. The dog ran around the yard. The dog ran around the yard. The cat meowed loudly when I petted it. The cat meowed loudly when I petted it. My brother likes to eat peanut butter sandwiches. My brother likes to eat peanut butter sandwiches. I like to go to the mall. I like to go to the mall. My grandmother loves to bake cakes. My grandmother loves to bake cakes. Grandpa enjoys fixing things around the house. Grandpa enjoys fixing things around the house. The cat is sleeping on the couch. The cat is sleeping on the couch. The dog is jumping in the pool. The dog is jumping in the pool. You're late again. You're late again. The dog barked for a long time. The dog barked for a long time. They don't have any money to pay the bill. They don't have any money to pay the bill. I am eating an apple. I am eating an apple. The dog chased the cat up the tree. The dog chased the cat up the tree. We went camping last weekend. We went camping last weekend. You must learn how to drive before you get your license. You must learn how to drive before you get your license. We need more time for our homework. We need more time for our homework. The man is running. The man is running. The man runs. The man runs. I like apples a lot. I like apples a lot. You should not smoke in public places. You should not smoke in public places. My friends are coming over today at 5 p.m. My friends are coming over today at 5 p.m. We had a good time at the party. We had a good time at the party. Did you hear about the new restaurant? Did you hear about the new restaurant? It sounds like it will be awesome. It sounds like it will be awesome. He eats meat. He eats meat. She is a doctor. She is a doctor. The chair is made of wood. The chair is made of wood. We are in the library right now. We are in the library right now. We are going to the store tomorrow. We are going to the store tomorrow. My brother's name is Mark. My brother's name is Mark. I am taking an English class. I am taking an English class. My sister loves chocolate cake. My sister loves chocolate cake. I love chocolate. I love chocolate. She goes to school every day. She goes to school every day. He is a good student. He is a good student. We like to read books in our spare time. We like to read books in our spare time. The teacher teaches us math every day at school. The teacher teaches us math every day at school. My dog likes to eat chicken. My dog likes to eat chicken. My brother is tall and handsome. My brother is tall and handsome. It's time for bed now. It's time for bed now. The cat is sleeping on the pillow. The cat is sleeping on the pillow. My sister likes to play the piano. My sister likes to play the piano. My mother cooks delicious meals every day. My mother cooks delicious meals every day. Grandma has a new puppy named Charlie. Grandma has a new puppy named Charlie. John will be home soon. John will be home soon. I like tea. I like tea. My favorite color is blue. My favorite color is blue. My favorite book is Diary of a Wimpy Kid. My favorite book is Diary of a Wimpy Kid. She got a new car. She got a new car. My brother is taller than me. My brother is taller than me. The test was easy today. The test was easy today.